How to turn on or turn off iCloud Photos Share Library Suggestions on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, open up Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down. In here, tap on your Apple account at the top here. Then tap on iCloud. Next, we tap on Photos. Then scroll down and tap on Share Library. Now you might need to turn on or set up Share Library first before you'll be able to customize the Share Library suggestions. So tap on Share Library Suggestions, and from here you can tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Then tap on Add People in Photos to receive suggestions from moments when you are together. So tap on Add People, and then the phone will automatically provide suggestions of the people that you can add. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.